In this video, we're going to get familiar with the gaps in the chart by numbering the first 20 elements. To do this, I think it would be helpful if we number the rows first. There are 7 rows, and you can number them like this. I think it would be helpful to number both sides. The elements are numbered from left to right and from top to bottom. I suggest putting a small number in the upper left corner of the square because then later you can fill in other information. But you can have as many of these blank periodic tables as you want. So if you want to just number them big and take up the whole square for today, that's fine. So the first 2 are at the upper left corner and the upper right corner. Then the third one is going to be in all the way to the left again, right under number 1. I've gone ahead and put in element number 3 and element number 4, and then you skip the gap again, and element number 5 is going to be on the right side of the table. So we see that by the end of row 2, we're up to element number 10. So then element number 11 is going to be the first element in row 3, and row 3 would be numbered exactly like row 2, with element number 11 and 12 being on the left side of the table, and then skipping the big gap, and then element number 13 appearing underneath of element 5, and so forth. Did you get up to element number 18? Because when you finish numbering row 3, you should be up to element number 18. We're only going up to 20 in this video, and so 19 and 20 will be the first 2 elements in row 4. Just to show you there's nothing esoteric going on when there isn't a gap, I've also numbered number 21. Row 4 would just be numbered across, and so there will be, the number under 13 will be much higher than just adding 7. So there you have it. I chose the first 20 because I wanted to give you some practice working with a gap, and also because I would like you to be responsible for learning the names and the abbreviations of these first 20 elements in the periodic table.